Hello and welcome. This is WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 17. The following bacteria are important in the nitrogen cycle except A. Bacillus, B. Nitrobacter, C. Nitrosomonas, D. Rhizobium. So we are talking of bacteria that are useful or important, bacteria important or that are found in the nitrogen cycle, and we're asked to pick out the one which is not important in the nitrogen cycle. Now, option A says Bacillus. Bacillus is basically a class or a description of bacteria according to shape. Okay, so it's a generic term for bacteria of a particular shape, rod shape bacteria in general. So it cannot be, you can't exactly say it is important to the nitrogen cycle because that particular type of bacteria is not specified. So option A is not important in the nitrogen cycle. Now let's show that the others are, how important they are to the, or in terms of their importance to the cycle. Now option B says Nitrobacter. That is the bacteria that converts nitrite to nitrate, conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Option C says Nitrosomonas, and this converts ammonium salts to nitrite. And option D says Rhizobium, which converts atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate. So these are the functions of these three bacteria. So as you can see, in the nitrogen cycle they perform these functions, and hence they are important to the nitrogen cycle apart from Bacillus. So option A, Bacillus, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.